In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook login error. If you're having trouble signing in, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is caused by something simple like a weak connection, an outdated app, or temporary server problems. We'll go through a clear set of fixes you can try one by one until the login issue is resolved. First, go to Facebook and check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. If the connection is weak or keeps dropping, Facebook may not be able to load the login screen properly or verify your account. A good tip here is to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether the problem is related to your network. If one connection doesn't work, the other one might. Next, restart Messenger completely. Even though the issue may appear as a Facebook login problem, Messenger can sometimes be involved if your account services are not syncing correctly. Close the Messenger app fully so it's no longer running in the background, then open it again and see if things start working normally. After that, check for updates to Messenger. Open the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Messenger, and install any available updates. Using an older version of the app can sometimes cause login or connection errors, especially after recent platform changes. Updating ensures you have the latest fixes and compatibility improvements. If that doesn't help, restart your phone. Turn your device off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This refreshes system processes, clears temporary glitches, and can fix background issues that interfere with login. Once your phone has restarted, open Messenger again and test it. If you're using Android, the next step is to clear the app cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Messenger, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may have become corrupted over time. It won't delete your account, but it can help the app run properly again. Then reopen Messenger and check the result. Another thing to consider is whether Facebook's servers are having issues. If Messenger or Facebook suddenly stops working for a lot of users at the same time, the problem may be on Facebook's side rather than yours. In that case, there isn't